a lot of things it takes to get here, Damien.
Yeah.
A lot of things it takes to get here. Damien, this
I run this man, I want to say, bro.
Hey.
I want to say. Yeah, man, them in a family. I want to say, man, I want country link up this. My Parishina, you know.
Oh my God.
I want St. Anne's link up, you know.
Especially country depends on your business. You can't talk for country because country, one time country never really have much to be proud of, you know.
Around country have everything to proud of. Country have back, country, listen good, we talk about artists. We are going to talk about artists first. We talk about artists, you talk about Burning Spear. You talk about Bob Marley, who bigger than that?
Yeah, but they're based in town.
The but what?
They're based in town. They never really used to say them a countryman.
No student never their country.
Right. Yeah, yes.
Me as well, no studio. In my settings, in my era, you have a studio in there, Roof Studio. I have a couple studio with their country at Ochi side there, so you know what I mean, Fambo, you know, them time they have Future Troubles and Little Hero.
Yeah,
you know
Roof.
Anthony B, a Roof Studio, them time they have little hit me and right here say, yeah, them use their produce music out of them side of the world. From that part, but at the end of the day, in a Bob Marley time and Burning Spear time, no studio, no the other side there, but the talent them there.
Yeah.
The talent them there. And right now, everywhere Jamaica have studio because everybody have a laptop or a phone.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Everybody have a nice quiet place you can go make music somewhere on a device. Because it's a different time now. So right now, the whole Jamaica is a studio, the whole Jamaica is a talent, the whole Jamaica have whole heap of things to offer, brother. And country have the best, and that is the music part. In terms of tranquility and peace, and the rivers and the beach.
Yeah.
What are you going to say?
No,
You think they can say Hellshire?
No.
You think they can say Blood Clot, Fort Clarence? The country. But anyway, big up the whole Jamaica. And big up everybody. Yeah, man. Country and town and everything. Right now, I the whole world, you know, because I just say the world there right now, you know. The world there right just now with hands. Yeah, man. No country, no town, no this. Right now, the world is just the world. You're there UK, you can stay, so I know, say, yeah. You have people who live in Africa who never travel yet, and them are alright in their life, them make it, them have ambition. You have people who are there in Jamaica who say they never want to go on a plane, because them have ambition and them do what they do. Yeah, man, big up the whole of you, them all me want to know. But that's why I know say no violence no night. No crime and no violence no night. Yeah? And the people them do them thing and I got you. Yeah, man, we don't need them.
Tell me about the last time you toured. What was it about?
One different clippings that.
See? Work I put in. No joke. Could have there right now fuck some girl. Hot girl. Over there I put in the work. See? Artist name get to touch that I'll know. See artist there? Go and make a new rhythm. Yeah, you know you go.
How are you do a video?
Yeah man, we have to video everything. People have to say everything.
Video everything, my blood clot, brother.
I mean.
We don't put out everything, I know something though.
No man, have to put out something. People have to know what I want.
No one go on, I would have to yo, move a video for me in a traffic car. I want the blood clot, brother.
No man, them have to see what I want, man. See them. Pro Tools. Well, here we have voice too, you know. Yeah, move so. At 5 a.m. in the morning, you know, that. Pussy clad, man, not that.
Move first, we don't go clot video there, brother. What am I telling you?
Beat him.
Yes, man.
Watch it. We'll go back for the ball, man. What? Beat him, though, man. Beat him, though.
That was big ball game. I don't know how to miss it. You know what I mean? All who are live stream it, open and enjoy yourself. It was crazy. See there right now? You don't know. Yo, ref, send some water. Yeah. She was crazy. Yeah, man. Think I was in what you think, though. Yeah. Think I was in that deal with Wicked. I couldn't make him just score the whole I goal then. I have to deal with Wicked. Yeah? But I mean, I should not see the whole height. I just see 4 seconds out of 90 minutes. And that might tell him. Yeah. Yeah, 90 minutes.
I think
gorilla from the African continent.
This is the simplest thing sometimes.
Yeah, man, sometimes if you bust your brain, sometimes you just catch the flow, catch the beat.
And the vibe.
You never know, because the world right now, now try to go in the crowd or go in the club, drink and burn them cigarette and them weed, listening to 9 million lyrics. No, they want something simple they can sing with.
You don't know.
You don't know.
Dog, you don't know.
Dog, you don't know.
You ready still?
You ready? We can't say nothing wrong with it. Tell me what the fuck you say. What they be saying in this drill shit now, what they be talking, what's the street sounding like?
It's just a whole heap of bad man.
Basically. That's my lyric. Yeah. And I was gonna say,
There we go.
keep it down to the
Yeah.
man, me I go still the rain, but I just want to have that element there of.
Frost dog. Everything will live. So how much back in it? Back up, go on, set me from back on.
Yo, bro, just cut my hair, bro. Shut up and cut my hair. Now talk about nothing. Last night, crazy bomber class, yeah, again. Cut my hair, bro. What's up, like? I just want a haircut, bro. I look bad, bro. Bomber clot last night was crazy, goddamn drink, smoke, everything. Cut the hair, bro. Go cut his hair. Cut his hair. Cut his hair. Cut his hair. He is yourself.
Frost dog. Everything will live. So how much back in it? Back up, go on, set me from back on.
Yo, bro, just cut my hair, bro. Shut up and cut my hair. Now talk about nothing. Last night, crazy bomber class, yeah, again. Cut my hair, bro. What's up, like? I just want a haircut, bro. I look bad, bro. Bomber clot last night was crazy, goddamn drink, smoke, everything. Cut the hair, bro. Go cut his hair. Cut his hair. Cut his hair. Cut his hair. He is yourself.
Only in Jamaica you find them big bad. Handmade chill like mad.
And son. Tune after Bumbo Clan Ragaruga. No, yeah. Hold this. Come hold on. No, come in, madam. Alright, talk to you then. Ragaruga. Raga. See where one pizza man from where come from? Poland, one of them places.
Poland. Where you say for again? Poland, right? Poland, right?
You from Poland?
Poland?
Yeah. Oh, Italiano. Man, Italian. Ragarugi. Somebody tag Ragarugi, please. Raga. Oh, me there England. My artist Ragarugi. Now me reach back to Florida. And a man goes and draw the Do You Remember remix. John or Raga head I got hurting. Somebody don't tag Ragarugi. I don't want him still alive. I said, my boss, I might think them go with it. Love it. Yo. Let's see how music nice. Real talk.
This was Ragarugi. Flitters, steamy fry. All of the flitters, them steamy fry. Steamy fry. Couldn't tell about bush TV, not a lie. Flitters says steamy fry.
The Backbush TV. Joel B representing for Kunta Backbush TV. Style him like a gel.